Eric's back now. A little bit of a
Yeah,
warm up.
very
It
nice.
feels nice out there. Is that sticking around for a while?
You know, we get a couple more days of these. I see Derek.
Oh, yeah. That's
Please,
nice little
please.
break,
yeah.
No, that is going to continue through about Saturday, and then we're going to start to trail back into at least more normal temperatures for this time of the year. But we have manageable temps through Saturday. The snow picks up late Saturday into Sunday, where we could see a few inches back on the ground. And then we're really watching for the potential, and it's not a likelihood just yet, but the potential of a major snowstorm here on Monday, and that could bring a widespread swath of significant snowfall to West Michigan. Now, again, that is going to be in the cards, but it's not 100% likely that that happens. We need some more consistency in the models, but what has been likely for the last couple of days is the warmer temperatures here today. Now, yesterday, we were seeing one of the coldest days we've had so far this season, and we're right back about 20 to 25 degrees warmer at this time. We had high temperatures even in the 40s along the lakeshore, 40 in South Haven and Muskegon, 43 in Benton Harbor. Everyone else sitting in the mid to upper 30s today, 37 for Grand Rapids. We also had a very windy day today, so even though we saw the milder temperatures, the wind chill still stayed in the 20s and 30s throughout the entire day today, and they continue to be that way right now. So you'll still need that heavier jacket, maybe even a lighter one tomorrow, because the winds lighten up and we actually see those temperatures staying in the upper 30s. Same thing as we head into Saturday. But we have winds gusting upwards of 30 to 35 miles per hour along the lakeshore. And again, that's sending those wind chills into the 20s and 30s across West Michigan. We have a wind chill of 24 in Ionia, 30 for Muskegon and Holland, even though the temperature in Muskegon right now sitting at 40 degrees. That wind generally out of the southwest, meaning that lakeshore flood advisory continues until 8 o'clock tomorrow morning. That's when the winds will really start to lighten down, but we have some significant wave action and also that push of water leading to that minor lakeshore flooding and also the continued erosion for Ottawa, Muskegon, and Oceana counties. We've also got a little bit of some light flurry action as you head north of I-96. Everything around I-96 really not hitting the ground, still contending with some drier air, but this could still scrape the I-96 corridor and off to the north. The rain showers that you see over Lake Michigan, that could start to progress in here as we head throughout the rest of this evening. Anyone south of I-96 should stay dry for the rest of tonight and even as we stretch into our Friday. High temperatures tomorrow will be in the upper 30s to lower 40s, mostly cloudy skies, so not a whole lot of sunshine. We saw a few peaks out there today, but we will not have the very windy conditions tomorrow, so we'll at least get to enjoy the milder temperatures without the wind chill out there. 37 on Saturday, back into the lower 30s on Sunday, with that snowfall possible as we head towards late Saturday into Sunday. So there's that system number one, that is going to weaken and really dissipate and just leave a front directly to our north, which is why our winds stay out of the south tomorrow, and we continue to see those milder temperatures. System number two is actually going to be a weak one. That's going to draw in some of that cooler air, but the main system is going to be off to the east coast. That piece of energy is going to get absorbed by this one, and you can see that is a very strong system that's just off to our east. Not going to see a whole lot of impacts from that besides some minor lake effect snowfall from the cold air rushing in and heading out east. Here's system number three. That's the one that we're watching out for that major snowstorm potential as we head into Monday. The European model, which is one of our more consistent models, says no snowfall here. Snow stays mainly to the south, and we see little to no accumulation. However, as we look towards one of our other more consistent models, a major snowstorm here on Monday with several inches likely. So you can see there's not a lot of consistency still with these models, but the potential is there that we see some significant snowfall Monday into Tuesday. Besides that, temperatures cooling off after this milder stretch Friday into Saturday, back into the lower 30s and 20s after the first half of the weekend.